Every transformation begins with a vision. And every vision becomes powerful when people come together. Welcome to the very first edition of Align Elevate Forum 2026. A platform created to inspire, connect, and elevate the future of dentistry. Bringing together passionate, new-age dental practitioners, driven by innovation, learning, and the pursuit of excellence. From insightful discussions to breakthrough perspectives. The forum became a space where knowledge met inspiration. Simultaneously, dedicated sessions for dental lab professionals celebrated precision, craftsmanship, and the partnership that shapes every smile. Beyond the session, it was about meaningful conversations, new connections, and a shared commitment to shaping the future together. The first edition of Align Elevate Forum 2026 marks the beginning of something bigger. A community united by innovation, a future driven by collaboration. Together, we elevate dentistry.